In the vibrant heart of the jungle, a group of parrots decided to throw a puzzle party, inviting the entire animal kingdom. These colorful characters flapped their wings with joy, each with a unique puzzle piece they had to match up with the others. Squawking with delight, Polly the parrot led the charge, her feathers glistening in an array of colors as she guided her friends. As the day unfolded, the animals learned the magic of teamwork, solving puzzles together while overcoming hilarious mishaps. From monkeys mistaking bananas for puzzle pieces to elephants blowing their pieces away with trumpeting winds, laughter echoed throughout the jungle. By sunset, the jungle was not only filled with a giant puzzle masterpiece, but hearts brimming with friendship and the fun of working together.